Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 4 things about creating indexes in the MongoDB database. Number 1, use the create index method to create an index on a single field. On line 3, I'm creating an index on the APN field and I'm setting the unique option to true and expire after seconds to 3000. You can also use the create index method to create a compound index, which means to create an index on multiple fields. On line 4, I'm creating a compound index on the APN and the state field. Note -1 indicates the sort order of descending and 1 indicates the sort order of ascending. I'm also setting a custom name for this compound index called APN_state_unique. Number 2, use the getIndexes method to return a list of all the indexes. Number 3, you can use the dropIndex method to drop a single index. We can verify that the index on the APN field was dropped by using the getIndexes method. I'm going to recreate the index on the APN field before moving to the next pointer. Last but not the least, number 4, use the dropIndexes method to drop multiple indexes at once. On line 14, I'm passing the name of 2 indexes I want to drop in an array to the dropIndexes method. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.